Hello! No makeup, no nothing. I just came back from the spa, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of my bag. Okay, so this is a Lululemon Duffle Bag Gym. So there is something on the side here. Let me cut this. This is where you put your shoes. Oh wow, look at this. Yes, there's an insert. This is where you put your shoes. You see? Look. Ah, there's a way. Put your socks and your shoes. They said it's a small bag, but when you put stuff in it, it's gonna be big. Because the bag that I use for my gym, it's broken now. So that's why I got this. And I got a good deal because Mariela bought it for me. Yeah, Mariela, thank you for Mariela. So shout out to Mariela, Elaine's friend. She works for Lululemon. She gave me a good deal. Okay, so when you put that, you have to insert both sides or take it out on this both side when you put your shoes on. Put your shoes in here. Yeah, this side and on the other side to make the bag a little bit bigger. Expand. You have to expand the bag. Yeah. So see. Oh, is it bigger now? See, Lululemon. I like the color. I don't like the black. So anyway, let's see what's inside. How many compartments? Is that good? Whoa! It's a big compartment inside. See? You can... This extra bag here. Just in case. You're, this is your changing bags. So you have to put that in there. Wow, this is amazing. I like it. And then there's one compartment here where you put all your stuff, like your key. There's a little pouch for your essentials. Yeah, right? And look, I have this. This is the handle to access your handle. Just take it out. There's a handle. Make it bigger. Wow. Look at this handle. How do you do this? Sturdy. Oh, I have to insert it here. Wow. Look. Leave that side. Oh, you have to insert. I don't like this. Oh, it's just very strong. Let's see. Wow. I need to go to the gym. Okay, this bag is $113. Oh, $168. But I have a big discount, so I didn't pay that. So $168 plus tax. But I didn't pay that much because Mariela bought it for me, so I need a discount. Oh my god, this is an amazing bag. This is really good. This is the best bag. Wow. Look at this, guys. It looks small, but you can put a lot of stuff in here. For traveling, look at the bottom also. There's a zipper here. Oh, okay, let's see. Oh, you can put your towel in here, so I don't have to worry about where I put my towel. My other stuff. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Okay, let's see. Let's see what I need. it's not. It's big. I'm happy. Yeah, this is nice. Huh? You guys, what do you think? You like it? Unlike the black color, this is better. This is really me. See? Wow, amazing. Yeah, I guess. Wow. Bella wants this. What do you think, guys? You happy that I have this bag? I am. Look. I think it's against the light. Just take it in. Okay, so the regular price of this bag is, what does it say? Let's see. How much is it? Well, the color is washing shock. I don't know. What is this? So, we took multi-use to the next level. This duffel bag has, what is this? I can't really see because ample storage to pack sweat essential and cushion strap to maximize commuting comfort. What is it? Oh my god, it's really hard when you don't have your glasses. The removal shoulder strap also double as a yoga mat carrier and a stretching strap. Wow. Okay, that's what it is. See, it looks like that. And yes, look at this. Oh, that's why they have this kind. So you can loosen it, adjustable strap, and insert roll yoga mat to tighten up and to secure it. Okay. So you can also loosen adjustable strap to, what is that? To desired length to use as a stretching strap. Oh, you can use this as a stretching strap. Wow, there's a lot of uses on that one. Okay, and then unhook the shoulder strap from the bags. You can do that as well. You can unhook that. Wow. Fabric is water repellent. Carry it by handle or across the body with the detachable strap. Large main compartment, separate compartment for shoes and some sweaty gears. Exterior pocket, fit most shoes up to men's size, what is it, 14? Wow, this is big. Size zipper pocket, fits most water bottle up to, how many, 750 ml. And then the interior pockets to organize your, what do you call this, small items if it's importance. Bonus includes separate drawstring pouch for sweaty clothes, and then the dimension, they gave us a dimension. But this is amazing. I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy with this. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. So then I guess I can't quit my gym. I have a bag. I'm gonna keep on going. Anyway, hope you like my video. See you again to the next one. Bye. I just put my towel in here. Look. This is more for sweating towel, and then that's my bath towel, the other one. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Excited, hold on. It's inside, right? And then I put some of my stuff here. Have my slippers. And then I put my lotion. And oh my god, I'm so happy. And then I'm gonna open this side here. I can put my shoes inside here. Look. Yeah, it is very compact. It's nice. I like the color too. And this one here. Look at my bag straps. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.